Gates replaces Jeff Bezos as world's richest person. Bloomberg Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates on Friday officially overtook Amazon founder Jeff Bezos as the world's richest person with a $110 billion net worth as per Bloomberg Billionaires Index. The 64-year-old reclaimed the title for the first time in over 2 years. Bloomberg added, the fortune of Bezos stood at $109 billion according to the index. Former Apple, Google chipmaker startup NUVIA raises $53 million. NUVIA, a California-based processor-making startup founded by 3 former Apple and Google chipmakers, has raised $53 million in a Series A funding round. The 9-month-old startup was founded by IIT-Delhi alumnus Manu Gulati along with Bruno and Gerard Williams III. The $53 million round was co-led by Capricorn Investment Group, Dell Technologies Capital, Mayfield and WRVI Capital. Instagram expands its test to hide like count on posts globally. Instagram has announced that it is extending its test to hide the visibility of the number of likes on posts from some users worldwide. Recently, the Facebook-owned photo-sharing platform had extended its test to the US after having expanded to a few other nations in July. The test had initially started in Canada in April. Apple bans vaping-related apps, removes 181 apps from App Store. Apple has removed 181 vaping-related apps from the App Store worldwide amid growing health concerns over e-cigarettes. Apple said it never allowed apps that sell cartridges on the store, but other vape-related apps, including ones that controlled vaping pens or provided vape-focused games, were allowed. Apple initially stopped approving such apps in June and has put a ban on them this year. Cops are not welcome. Social network suspends Assam police's account. Social network Mastodon on November 14 suspended the account of the Assam police, saying that cops are not welcome. One of the moderators of Mastodon informed that our account has been suspended following reports from users who didn't feel safe with our presence, a member of the social media team of the Assam police said.